Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Sorry that I'm late a little bit, but we're here. Burrito. Hello there. What's up? What is happening? What is happening? Well, seems like the trade from earlier worked out quite nicely, to be honest. So I'm very, very happy about that. That is a great news. Let's look for some levels here, right? Very sad. I won't be able to operate today. Oh, you have to work early. Burrito, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Oh, well, maybe next time then. Good morning, Banks. Hello. Long time. Yeah. Moved to New York. Wow. The Big Apple. That's awesome. That is cool. That is cool. The Big Apple. But I'm glad you're here and good to see you on the stream. How are things? Still a company? Okay. Don't worry about it, Burrito. Don't worry. Thank you for noticing us and me. Kevin, hello there. Okay, gold went up to the 5-minute zone. Arsen, hello. Thank you for subscribing. Arsen Sargsian, hello. Thanks for joining. Honestly, I'm kind of looking for some levels here. As usual, I gotta look to the left again. What can we do here? What can we do here? The only problem is that on the 1 hour, there's no zone. So I try to get the best out of this. Happy Gist Race, hello. Nothing even on the 30-minute. Like sometimes I do look at the 30-minute, but right now, not much. Although, hold on, there might be something here. There might be something here on the 30-minute, actually. There is a 30-minute demand zone down there. Usually I don't like the 30-minute levels. I don't know why. But that's a zone right down there. I mean, smash through that 5-minute, which is kind of cool. But how far can we go, right? The trade in the London session, both gold and NQ ended up perfectly. So that was cool. But what now? Simba, the Lion King. Hello there. Good afternoon. Welcome back. Welcome. Smash the likes, everybody. This is the early session, early New York session. Technically in the kill zone. We do have news this morning, right? Yeah. ADP non-farm employment change in 60 minutes, which is going to be estimated change in the number of employed people during, okay. Okay, estimated change in employed people. Okay, okay. So they're expecting more employed people, which is cool, right? Now, this is a red folder news. I'm aware of that. But, you know, I don't really see any level to the left here. Okay, then maybe it's not completely true, but okay, this is nothing. I'm practically scanning the whole area for any kind of supply zone. Currently looking at the 1 minute. There is a zone there. Okay. Is there anything else? There's another one. So that's also a 1 minute supply zone higher, but these are just 1 minute zones. I don't think that we're gonna rally 200 points, but if we are, then you know, awesome. I'm not sure that we'll do. Do you see any chance we take the previous day high in NQ? We actually took it, but maybe you're referring to so previous day high, according to me, because I'm looking at the New York midnight level, was already being taken. Or are you referring that we're gonna go back maybe? I mean, we just might. Okay, there is a 3 minute level down there. 2 minute zones. We're getting 2 minute zones here. Norbert, both of your two trades on a... Yes. Norbert, you are correct. Both of my trades hit the TP. Both trades hit the TP. And thank God I'm eligible for another payout because the account is up at $3,260. So I made $652 on those trades. Here it is. These are the two trades on that account, $652. And those two trades were only the London trades, gold and NQ. So the account is at 3,260, which is awesome. But maybe I'm going to accumulate a little bit more. Oh, 25,011. I mean, it's not far, not impossible, because then I would be looking for those 1 minute zones up there, you know. So it's definitely possible. I'm looking for any sign. Let me see, low here, low 621.22. Okay. Let's see the low of this bearish candle. I'm kind of looking for something here on the 4 minute. So the low of this candle is 22. Okay, this is lower, then it doesn't matter. Nothing. I thought that there's something on the 4 minute. There is a 3-minute level down there. There is a 30-minute level down there. These levels being taken. How far is the 3-minute zone? I mean, that's actually, it's more than 100 points. But you know, I think it can go. I think it can go. Why not? Accumulate a little bit more. That's what I just said before Trump tweeted. Yeah. I really want to take a trade to go with a short here. Now we have a 5-minute gap down there. So that is a 5-minute BC slash fair value gap. Okay. I took a small short on a different account. Let's see how this is gonna go. Very small short. Let me switch the accounts. Maybe it's a little bit too much to ask from NQ. It's okay. Stop could be at 833. So buy stop there. And let's have the final TP around 690. Let's go with 690. All right. This is a lower probability setup. But yeah. Quick look on gold. Yeah, hopefully we get some volatility here soon. I'm not really comfortable shorting gold, to be honest. I mean, there is a good level here, though. I mean, never mind. Technically valid. So that's a 15-minute demand zone. On gold. The only problem is there is no displacement. So I can imagine gold dropping down to 51.79, but you know, with no displacement, I'm not sure. And if it goes back into this 1-minute gap, then I would be scared to jump in, because then it might just go for the mid-level of that 5-minute zone. So even then, it's more than likely that it might gonna be shifting this here, this 5-minute CB slash fair value gap. Give a different. Okay. So my plan would be to wait for gold to go a little bit higher and then target the mid-level of the zone. That would be good. Even if we go down here, which I think we might, let's just wait. Let's just wait. And of course, until we're waiting, let's all smash the like button. Thank you, thank you. Smash that like. Okay, 5 minute fair value gap. There's also a 15-minute level. There's a small 15-minute level down there as well. If it's not gonna crash down, then the problem is that I don't really see anything to go for on the upside there. I mean, it's still bullish overall. There was a small shift here on the 5 minute. No, the 15 minute is definitely bullish. It's undeniably bullish right now. So the only thing I can hope for is, yeah, to wait for a shift. The hourly is still bearish, by the way. For me, the hourly chart, I mean, we had a shift here. This is a little bit of a weak push here. It seems like it might want to go lower, back into the zone. Anything is possible. 30-minute. I'd like to see this one a little bit more bearish, at least to get down to take some liquidity from that 15-minute gap. But there's a 5 as well, so as long as we have a zone as a good target supporting that fair value gap, then it's a good target. I don't know, I'm just talking out loud. I'm just thinking out loud, guys. Don't worry about it. I'm just thinking out loud, out of the box. Can we get more likes? Let me see how we're doing. I have to log in. We are having 23 likes. That is amazing. Can we get to 50? Let's get it, everyone. I know we can do it. Good morning, AVR Dream. Hello there. The day so far was amazing. 2 beautiful trades in London. And now kind of waiting for a bit of a drop here on NQ. That's it. Good morning, Bear Trader. Hello there. Guys, I did it. I this is not the dancing. I told everybody that I'm gonna do the dance at 70k in London session. Some viewers said that I'm doing that. I specifically said I'm doing it at 70k. Today, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna call Luke. I'm gonna call Luke for the giveaway. But the dance is gonna happen at 70k. Everybody, 70. No. I said specifically the dance is gonna be at 70k. I promise I will dance 100 billion%. That's at 70K. I will do it. Does the Funded Futures Network exhibition account still pay monthly fees? No, it's not. It's not. There's no monthly payments on the exhibition account. So, no more monthly payments. All right, let's see. So they get the one Star Tech ready to call. Yeah, it's here. It's ready. Actually, I have the old phone ready. You know, I'm gonna use this. Oh my gosh, the Motorola StarTech. That's a real retro phone too. Come on, NQ, drop a little bit down there, please. Just drop it. You need to get that liquidity. I know you want it. I know that you want some liquidity, NQ. Come on, just a little bit lower. We need the 690 level. Why does Funded Futures Network preference looks so cheap? They do pay, and they are not cheap, by the way. I mean, if there's no buy one get one for free promo, you have to pay an activation fee, and you know you have to pay $75 for an evaluation account, and then you have to pay activation fee, which is $120 or $130. I know they're running the promo quite a lot, but all I can tell you is that many people unfortunately lose their accounts because of the BOGO sale. I'm sorry to say it like this, but they think that this is so simple, just, oh, you know. But practically they're paying $75, and I get it that I mean, they need to pass it real quick, and that can be a bit of a trap because they want to pass the account real quick, and then they end up losing the account. But they see the numbers, they pay the traders. By the way, they do pay their traders. I know a couple of traders myself. I got paid multiple times from trading. So yeah. But like, Funded Futures Network is one of those prop firms like Bulenox, flying under the radar, and just paying out everybody. That's how they are. Flying under the radar and paying. ES is about to break VWAP. Let's see. Twister, hello there. Let's see ES. Okay. Yeah, ES is down there. Picked up liquidity from this gap. That's cool. Okay, I wonder if we're going to see a reversal on NQ. Because if we do, then that would be quite interesting. Hey Tom, what's up? It's getting scary, right? It's getting real scary. I should be going lower. At least I hope. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so this is the kind of movement that I was not really wanted to see. Kind of hoping that it can just waterfall down to that gap. A small 2-minute gap there. My stop is above the swing high. If this is going to invert, I don't have a target on the upside then. Then we might have to wait. It's at yesterday's point of control. Okay, so this could be a coin flip from here on out. So it's a coin flip. It's a coin flip. Oh no, look at that. I'm not scared. I'm just saying, like, we're gonna have some red folder news not too far from now, right? Oh, look at this. Should have taken that scalp trade lower, right? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I know. 51.79.1 on gold. Should get tagged. Yeah, there you go. But how far? Was there an entry, by the way? There was no entry. Look at the 1 minute. It's just slow grind. Okay. Not so satisfied with NQ. Now, what I don't want to see is NQ go higher than this fair value gap. Now, if it does, then obviously it's not good. And yeah. $171 viewers, 39 likes, everybody. Let's get it to around 80. Can we get to around 80 likes? You know, the drill. That's the drill. That's the job. Let's get it. Yeah, it's risky. It is risky. So the last line of defense for me is this gap. If it closes higher, obviously I'm not going to move my stop. Then I'm just going to leave it be and we'll see. But I think it wants to take some liquidity from that 788 gap up there. I don't know what you guys think, but I think it can happen. 788 maybe. Who knows? We'll see. So as I said, that's the last line of defense. In case it wants to go higher. It didn't pick liquidity from that gap, so that's kind of a good news for now, I guess. Hopefully. Take the stairs to be, yeah, it is, it does. If this gap can hold here, then we're good. If not, then we're smoked. I don't know. I don't even know what he tweeted. Did he tweet something? I don't know. Maybe it's on Financial Juice. I'm not sure. Nothing here. I don't know. So unfortunately, we're taking liquidity from this gap here. And I don't like that, to be honest. I'm gonna hold this trade just to see what happens, but I don't have high hopes. It was really looking good for a little bit here. As you guys can see, it was really looking good. Now it has completely reversed. But, you know. Could be. Could be. FW. I don't know. Or FWTG. So as I said, the last line of defense would be this gap, but it's really a risky one. Faded me this morning. And 2 W's. Nice. I had 2 winners this morning. I mean, the ones that I left the stream with, both of them hit the TP. The longs on gold, the long on gold and NQ. Thank God they hit the TP, so that was a nice trade. But it took a while. I think it was like more than 3 hours until it hit that profit. Yeah, ka-ching. Set 2 wins on the long side. Let's go. Let's smash those likes. I'm gonna have to get some tea. smash the like, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna get some tea. All right, I'll be right back. Make sure to smash it. Oh, methodical man teaching you scalping. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to him. Tell him that I said that. Don't listen to him. All right, I'm back. I'm back. Let's see what's happening. Oh my gosh, still hovering here. Uh-oh. Content Hunter, hello. Okay, what's happening on gold? Okay, tag that level. I still have my plan. Once we get above that 5-minute CB, I'm gonna try. I will try to go long. Back from office. All right. Let's all smash the likes. Let me check how we're doing. 49 likes, everybody. 49 and 195 viewers, which is amazing. But can we push it a little bit higher? Can we get the 100 likes today? Can we get it? It would be so easy, right? Let's go. I'm seeing it. 54 now. Awesome. 56. It's teamwork, everybody. It's teamwork. At some point, I won't need to go. Well, that's why we're all doing it, right? Gabor, hello there. Alexia. Hello. Oh my gosh, a little bit slow. I'm a little bit like, I don't know. A little bit skeptical about this drop now. Especially because we're getting closer and closer to the news. You know. Green, welcome. Good to see you, Green. What's up? And Kelly is here. Hello, good morning. Hey. How you doing, Kelly? Good to see you. Okay. Doing great. Awesome. That's good to hear. So yeah, we had a great London session. I mean, trading wise, the results were great, and now I'm a little bit skeptical about this short. But what can happen if the whole narrative is going to shift higher? Now, there's a 1 hour gap. There's like many gaps here. I'd say let's check this out. All right. Let's do an experiment. You might be good on that short. I'm getting a little bit skeptical. I'm getting skeptical on this short because I think it's just gonna go sideways until news, and you know. Yes, we have news in 24 minutes. Yes. So let's mark this one up. Okay. This is a 1 hour CB / fair value gap. Okay, mid-level. So the mid-level rejected price. Almost the mid-level, but anyway. Once we switch to the 15, there's nothing there. I mean, there's a gap here on the 15. Let's do this. All right, let's do an experiment. This is what I'm talking about. Okay, so there's a 15-minute gap. Okay, and if I switch to the 5-minute, there's nothing. Actually, there was, but it has been repriced completely. So you know what? The distance from the top of this gap. Okay, this is gonna be my alert. If I'm getting stopped out from this trade, I will be looking for long positions above 24,927. That would be a plan to go bullish a little bit, if we can. If we can do it. I'm using fair value application from winner. It works great. Nice. Well, you know, if it works, that's all that matters. Never Suffer is back. Hello. What's up, Never Suffer? How you doing? What is up? My gosh, we're stuck here. Okay. I'm still not liking this. I might gonna get stopped out from this. The closer we're getting to the news, the crazier it gets. But anyway. We are at 69 likes. Everybody, 69, 31 to go. Just 31 likes. I know we can do it. Just 31. Easy. Stuck like Chuck. I got along. It could be good. It could be good. Oh, flag. Oh, you got a break even. Sorry. Take profit now. No, I'm okay with the risk. If I lose this one, I'm all right. I'm all right with the risk. It's okay. But yeah, I was thinking like, what if it would drop like at least another 25, 30 points? Maybe it would be a good idea to take some of it off, but that's all right. Let's see what it wants. Anubis, hello, good morning. What is up? Do you generally start with the same amount of stop loss? No, not usually. I mean, it depends on, depends on amount of stop loss, depends on where is my swing high, swing low, which is that point that I'm looking to get out, right? So if it's too far, obviously, I might go down to 1 micro. If it's a little bit closer, it can go up to 2, 3 micros. Like, it varies between those levels, right? Have you tried E8 before? No, but I heard of them. I heard that they're good. Good morning, good morning. So if it went down, it was our reasoning, and now poppy pop. Yeah, it seems like it. It seems like that is gonna be a reversal to the upside. Unfortunate, because once we close above 806, then this whole idea is a scratch. I'm in a long position from 750. Nah, don't worry about it. I had 2 great trades in London. I'm okay. This is okay. No problem. Follow your plan. Most likely my trade is going to go to the dumpster here. I really wanted this to drop down to that 5-minute BC and to the VWAP and to the demand zone, but you know, how much? Yeah, less than 16 minutes to go for news, so it could be tricky. Short at 830, closed at 800. 830, that's a good one. Yeah, that's a good level to short. Have you maxed out Apex account? No, I don't want to. I mean, I'm good with a couple of Apex accounts. Currently, I have 2 funded accounts at Apex, and I have a couple of evals which I bought. I have overall 8 funded accounts that I need to focus. 2 of those are Apex, and I'm not copy trading them. I do need to do a recap. I know. Maybe it would be much transparent. I get it. But I want to buy some more Apex accounts. I think right now it's absolutely, for me, Apex just got much more exciting. But anyway. Az időjárás, Gábor, nagyon szép, kezd melegedni. Ma például kabátba mentem le, autóztam egy kicsit, és már pólóba kellett legyek, hogy beszálltam a kocsival, le is dobtam a kabátot, mondom, pólóba, tök jó. Süt a nap. És jó idő van, azt sem tudom hány fok. Sorry, I was just a bit of a Hungarian here with fellow Hungarian trader. 16 degrees Celsius right now. 16 degrees Celsius currently here. And sunny. Really good. Oh, look at that. Going higher. We might gonna take that high. It is what it is. Zacromancer. Oh yeah, you asked it. Yeah, nice. But I want to get some more accounts from Apex, by the way, just to make sure that I have enough on the shelves. The 90% sale is really good. I want to see some payout first. Yeah, Apex accounts I can buy. Oh, promo to start. I mean, you can buy them now. There's a 30-day inactivity rule, right? So if you buy the evals, I mean, yeah, sorry, no. The evals are going to expire. That's the thing. So if you haven't noticed it yet, there's a big change at Apex. No more monthly payments, right? So no more monthly payments for the evaluation account. But the evaluation accounts are going to expire in 30 calendar days, regardless that if you pass them or not, okay? They are going to expire in 30 days. So that's it, you know, take it or leave it. 30 days and the account is going to be gone. Or you pass it, you know. Ja, persze, Floridából, igen. Hát szerintem jó idő lesz itt hóvégére azért. Kellemes tavasziasra számolok. Azért. 16, it's my negative 2 cells. Oh! Feels like a heat wave. Yeah. Good morning, Pedro. Hey, what's up? One more day. Yeah. I'm getting stopped out from this trade most likely. It's fine. It's fine. I might not gonna be taking a long trade or any counter trade on this until after the news, but it is what it is. Why do I feel like that after it spikes higher, it might just gonna drop? You know, I have that weird feeling, but who knows? Who knows? Okay. All right, I got stopped out. This is a stop. And we have this 15-minute CB here with the 1 hour CB up there. So it seems like we might gonna go higher. But I'm not gonna do anything until the news. Three intraday, 2 end of day. Let's go, Zacromancer. Yes, you have 30 days, exactly. Merusian, yes. You have 30 calendar days to pass it. It was 0 either today and now people are... It was 0 earlier today and now people are mowing the lawn. Yeah. Yeah, that's what happens. Everybody does the same here as well. Camilla, jó reggelt, szia, üdvözöllek. Let's go. Pedro, that's amazing. Good job. That's what you need to do. Keep calm. No stress. Ja, persze, Camilla, nagyon szívesen. Nagyon szívesen. Örülök neki, ja. Tudunk. Is a war even going on? And I think I was not following the military news or war news regarding if they're still doing some bombing or whatnot over Iran. So are there any daily loss limits on the new Apex? Yes, I think it's $1,000. Yes, it's $1,000, Content Hunter. On the end of day account, there's a daily loss limit of $1,000. It's a soft breach, so you can continue tomorrow. You know? Both of the trades, both of the trades hit the TP, so amazing trades in London. Unfortunately, now I had a stop loss. So what can you do, right? But I just had a stop loss. But the London trades were absolutely amazing. They were really good. They were really, really good. It's up to you, Pedro. But, you know, be very, you know, precise and careful and cautious with the expenditure. You know, don't stress on it. It's on, right? Yeah, it's on. The bombing is on. Yeah, no, you didn't lose it. That's a soft reach. You will get it back tomorrow. I mean, you can trade tomorrow. I mean, after the 6 p.m. daily reset. So technically, if you want to, you can trade the Asia session. Enthusiastic. Igen, úgy tűnik, hogy sokba kerül ez az USA-nak. Yeah, Gabor just saying like the fireworks tax money might be going for fireworks with Iran. Like I was reading some articles and I saw a video about this too. Like the United States is spending millions and millions of dollars for interceptor rockets, but the drones that Iran is sending are only cost like $20,000 to $30,000. And every $20,000 to $30,000 drone costs a couple of $1 million of a rocket, one single rocket to take it down, to intercept. So I don't think it's a good business. I'm not sure. I'm not an expert, but I don't know. No politics on my end. I'm not taking sides in politics. I mean, I'm taking sides here in my country, but not in the U.S. But it just feels like, you know, there's the cheap drones and there's the super, very expensive rockets. You know, it definitely costs a lot of money. One micro at a time, exactly. Yeah, this move was really weird. That was really weird. Yeah, I try. This is actually what I'm drinking right now. This is tea. I have tea right now, but I will have a coffee. Well, in my streams, by the way, the name is Freddy. In my streams, I'm a little bit more chill. You know, I'm like, I can sit back and relax. But in my funded TV, I like to have the conversation with Terry. She's awesome, and we keep the show rolling. You know, because that's one of the purpose of the show, that we need to keep it energized and rolling. But in my stream, I can just sit back and chill. Yeah, it seems like we're going higher here, unfortunately. But who knows? War is expensive, yeah. A negative ROI is not good. I don't know who's winning. I'm just saying, like, I think the US is gonna have a hard time with Iran. I think it's not gonna be as simple as it seems like it. I don't think so. My personal opinion is that it can turn into an Iraq 2.0, like Iraq 2.0, and it can last for years. They're saying it's going to be a few weeks. First, they said it's going to be a few days. Then they said it's going to be a few weeks. But when they say it's going to be a few weeks, you know it's going to be a few months. And once it's at few months, then you know it's going to be a few years. So I feel like it's going to last for some time. Unfortunately, I don't want that. Nobody wants that, but, you know. Nobody wants it. Okay, almost pushing higher than these gaps here. I'm going to get the alert off because that's going to be super loud. Content Hunter, I think I think everybody should be okay there. The tourists in Dubai should be able to come back home safely. Even our country is already, you know, making a plan to get them out. But, you know, Jip Smith, you're the 10th person today to ask me if I'm going to dance. I told everybody I'm going to do the dance at 70K, 70K, not 60, 70K. What I'm going to do, I'm going to dial up Luke, and I'm going to call him live on stream on the phone. But at 70K, that's when the dance is going to happen. Yeah, exactly, Stevie. You gotta wait for the news. Less than 4 minutes to go. Actually, 3 minutes until the news, and then we shall see. Right? We shall see. I'm telling you, if we see some up close candles above this gap, then maybe, just maybe, I will try to look for longs. But look at that, 5 minute. I promised, and I will do that, Jim Smith, but I said 70K. It's like when we hit the 70,000 subscribers at MyFunded TV, I'm gonna do a dance live on stream, maybe on the couch behind me or something. I'm gonna use a different camera angle, another camera, and I'm gonna do some dancing or something crazy when we hit the 70K. I feel like it's gonna be inevitable. But yeah. Did I say that? Maybe I misunderstood, but I do remember that I was correcting Terry and some others to live on MyFunded TV. Guys, I'm gonna do it at 70K, not 60. At 60, I'm only gonna make the call. At 70, I'm gonna dance too, and another call for Luke, obviously. Yeah. I'm gonna dance for Macarena, yeah? Yay, Macarena. Okay, news are coming out in 45 seconds. Look at how much we went up there. 100 points. What was this move? It was like 160 points. Kind of crazy to think about it. Let's all smash the likes. I want to see the likes. Let me check it. How we are doing with the likes. We are at 94. 6 more likes before the news. 6 more likes before the news. Just 6 more. 10 seconds. 6 more. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on. Let's go. We did it. Before the news release. Okay, here's the news. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. And we have the news, and nothing is moving. Terry is here. Oh my gosh. Special hello and welcome to Terry. For Terry. Everybody. We are now blessed. We can do whatever trade we take on from now on. It's definitely going to be a success. We're just waiting for Terry's direction. Buy or sell, you know. That's it. That was crazy news, right? I think the market moved like 3 points. That was such an interesting news event that Let's see. Okay, so the number is better than expected. Yay. And that's it. ISM, okay, PMI numbers at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Wicked higher than this 1 hour fair value gap, but now it's just going a little bit lower. No, I'm not gonna, I didn't say that. Jip Smith, that's not true. I said Terry does remember. I said I'm gonna do the dance at 70K. Terry, today I had like 10 people in London session, in New York session like 10. Like, Tom, you're gonna dance today. I said no, at 70K. At 70K. Anyway, but I'm gonna call Luke. I'm gonna call Luke. I don't know where he's gonna be at, but I'm gonna call him. I'm gonna call him whatever. I mean, I don't know. I can tell you guys, this call today is not scheduled with Luke. I'm 100% sure he doesn't. I mean, he doesn't know that I'm gonna call him today. Maybe he was expecting a call yesterday, whatever. He's not. He doesn't have any idea that I'm gonna call him. So I will try to disable the noise gate and everything on the microphone so it can pick up the speaker from the phone, and you know, we'll try the best. I hope he answers. Yeah, if he's not answering, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get some heat from the chat. Okay, so the news release, by the way, didn't do too much for us. No structure on the 1 minute, by the way. So even if I want to, I just can't take a short here. I just can't. If there would be a structure built up here, maybe. But otherwise, I don't know. I don't know. I don't think so. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a little bit slow now. What is happening on gold? Okay, gold is, by the way, doing everything according to the plan so far. And we have the rooster ready at 5209.1. So once gold can push higher than this gap, we'll be looking for that supply zone mid-level up there. Because it's such a great 5-minute level, okay? All right, let's get that off. We have a 5-minute zone here. All right, let's wait. Man, it's I can't see anything. We gotta make it a little bit more transparent. Okay, maybe. Yeah, this way is better. All right. Okay, small structure on the 15-second chart. I don't know. I don't think I'm liking it that much. No, I'm not. But there's no structure on the 1 minute. I think you are trying to be sneaky and get out of that. No, I'm not. I'm not. Easily, no, I'm not. I'm definitely not trying to do that. I will deliver what I promised. You know, maybe I mean, I do owe you guys one promise from yesterday. I forgot to do the giveaway, but we're gonna do it tomorrow. All right, that's a promise. Tomorrow we're gonna do a giveaway, but I will deliver. I will dance, 100 billion% sure. Once we get to 70K, I promise there's going to be a separate camera set up, and I will ask Nate or Magnus or someone to make it happen on the stream, and I will dance. You know, I will do it. You know, something. I will dance the Macarena. You know, hey Macarena. But no, I will do. I actually know what I'm going to do. So there's two kind of dances that I will do. We can choose. Maybe I can do the robot, or I can dance like they did in the night at the Roxbury, you know. You know. And this is when you log out. I told you guys we're losing people here. I made a video. Oh yeah, I think I saw that. I will go back to that video. Bear Trader, you have so amazing videos there. Oh my gosh, I don't know how you're doing it. It's amazing. Animated meme. Oh yeah. Yeah. I said it, yeah. Yeah, I said it, yeah. Ha, oh my god. Oh, I don't want to. We're gonna lose subscribers. We don't want that. So, this overnight has moved 400. Yeah, right, Stevie? 400 points. And it's still just hard to keep up with this. Okay, so what I'm thinking is, the problem right now is that, okay, news came out better than expected. Would not be surprised on a drop. Let's check the 5 and the 15-minute time frame. Reprice the gaps up there. So look at the 1 hour. The 1 hour repriced the fair value gap here. And now it's kind of pushing back down. We have a bullish pin bar down here as well. We have the zone. I'd love to see a possible drop down. That would be great to that demand zone. But I feel like we need more. We just need more. It's not just a slow grind, but more. We need displacement. And I don't know if I want to force a trade on this. Yeah, Curry Fishbowl, I think that's the wisest decision. The momentum is just missing from this market right now. Up 400. Let's go, Ron. Congratulations. Listen, Ron, it doesn't matter if it's an eval. You traded your system. You traded your intuition. You made it there. You made profit. That's it, Ron. Congrats. Congratulations, Ron. So, guys, I just want to say I think I'm going to sign off because I'm not taking any trades. I'm not going to jump into any trade here. Let's just wait for the market open. All I'm going to say is thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support the channel, please use the code TOMSABO up there at the banner. It's the same everywhere. Apex 90% off and 85% off. Bulenox 89% off. Funded Futures Network, buy one, get one for free, still going. MyFundedFutures, Rapid, and Pro accounts still on sale with the code. Use TOMSABO, please, and the other ones as well. Lucid Trading. We need some TRADEIFY sales to get some accounts to give away. Thank you for considering and for the support. It does help a lot. So I appreciate everybody. It does help a lot. So please use it. I want to say God bless you all. I'll be at MyFunded TV soon, and tomorrow the regular schedule, London and New York. All right. So God bless. Cheers, everybody. See you soon.